So we are in the Wonder EV, or as it's claimed, it's a Wonder EV that can do 419 kilometers in a single charge. Obviously that is under test condition. We are going to test it in normal conditions like you would take a petrol car to a different state. And we are doing that in this MG ZS EV. Can it do Delhi to Agra in one single charge? Normal driving between 80 to 100. Can it do that? This is the challenge we are taking, and this is the challenge we will try and accomplish. So we have just got in the outskirts of Delhi. We are on the NH9 heading towards Noida now. Just take the expressway and reach Agra in 2 to 3 hours, depending on how you're driving, depending on the conditions of the road. So there are a couple of chargers at Mathura. We can charge there if we feel there is a need to charge the car. We can top it up there. So we are on the Delhi-Noida road now. We just crossed the border and it shows 94% of battery and almost 250-60 kilometers, because when you change the mode from economy to normal to sports, the range differentiates. We are driving in normal right now. Also, we have set the KERS level, the kinetic energy regeneration system, that automatically charges the battery when you brake at level 3. One thing that you'll notice driving any EV is that it's very comfortable to drive, because there are no moving parts, there are no jerks, there's nothing. There's like linear motion that just keeps going on. In the MG ZS EV, you'll hear that electric sound, that zzz, and you just pass it on, and it's so silent, you can only hear other people honking like you just heard. You also have 6-way adjustments to make for your seat, so really helpful. Electric adjustments that really make your seat as comfortable as possible like you wanted. You can also adjust the steering. You can move it up and down. Sadly, no telescopic steering in this one, but still really comfortable position. You can keep your arms on the armrest on both sides and keep driving. And this is the ZS EV 2021, which company says that has a better ground clearance and a bigger battery capacity and a bigger range. And we are expecting a lot of downpour, but we are not worried because we are sure that it will pass through waters and get through bumps easily. I'm so excited to reach the highway and put it on cruise control, set it on 100 kilometers hour, which is the speed limit at the expressway, the Taj expressway. I'm just gonna set it there and relax, click the button and start cruise set. You can take off your foot off the pedal and control the speed from here. And then obviously you have the MG assistant that really does everything on your command. You can ask them to open your sunroof, you can change the track, tell you the weather and whatnot. I mean, it's like a really intelligent system built in the car. Why not just be enjoying the smart system of MG, the infotainment system, and listen to the music on Gaana, which is included in the car. So you have that Gaana premium option where you can just listen to great music, all the collection. You can even have your own playlist of Gaana, play on it, and that really helped us on the way. And especially on the expressway, there are times when you lose the network completely and then the maps are not really efficient, right? You can't get traffic information, live updates and all that stuff. So MG has got you covered here also. They have the navigation system inbuilt, which is live, which has traffic, which has speed cameras, which tells you a lot of other things like charging locations and whatnot. And that is included, and that's a TomTom map, one of the best services in the world. Even Apple Maps uses their services. Thankfully, we are driving on a very beautiful day. I would say after a long time, Delhi is not sunny and the heat is not killing us, and really enjoying the weather. And what a better way than enjoying it on a panoramic sunroof. And you can even open it to take in some fresh air. I'll do that once we really are in a place where we can safely open the sunroof. Till then, I'm really enjoying the downpour, the wind, the clouds. It's like a time lapse of cloud going through, and if you have kids, they would really enjoy this scenic beauty through the panoramic sunroof on the MG ZS EV. I'm not sure if I should call it a safety feature or not, but this is really convenient that the car has automatic wipers and automatic headlamps. So what happens is you're not bothered. As soon as it starts raining, the wiper jump in and start cleaning the window. And the good thing is that you have wipers on both ends. Trust me, it really helped us on the way when it was really raining cats and dogs and there was no way we could see anything. the defogger and the wipers really saved us. Center console, the infotainment system is not too big and not too small. It's almost 9 inches, which is really perfect size. You know, imagine a 10 inches tablet being here. It's there and it has all the information up front. The air conditioner has all the physical buttons, and right under that is a knob. That is the gear lever. Yes, it's not something to adjust the volume or play around with. This is where you change the gears from. See, there is obviously, it's just, you know, electric car, so there are no multiple gear shifting happening here. It's reverse, neutral and drive. And if you want to put in parking mode, just tap that and it puts it in the parking mode. So moving back to the expressway, and I think we'll cross the first toll and then maybe stop at the services, whatever convenience services comes. So we've just crossed our first toll, and I think that's the only toll that we have to pay, because we have taken the toll till Agra, and it is right now at 60%. The range is 170 kilometers, and I am, my fingers crossed, that we should be able to make it safely and with pleasure in Agra without worrying, without getting troubled. Because it's an electric car, you're expecting electrifying performance, and that's what it exactly delivers. You get 0 to 100 in 8.5 seconds, the company claims, so I think we did it in under 8.5 seconds. So in terms of torque, this one has a 353 meters of torque, which is really exciting and thrilling to drive. As soon as I leave the pedal, it goes in minus, you know, the curves is activated and it's like minus 40 ampere, and when I start accelerating, it goes, you know, as much as you can take it. I mean, I've gone up to 60 right now. Phew, we have covered 100 kilometers. The battery is now 51%. Little worried now because the range that we can cover is 142 kilometers. The charging station is right at the outskirts on the highway at the Agra, so we don't have to get into the city to get to charge. The MG showroom is right there on the expressway, right as you get into the Agra city. Before that, there is a highway where the charging station is, and it's a super fast charger by Tata Power Limited, and we have already downloaded the Tata Power app. And while the car will be charging, I am hoping that we'll rest for a while, have a sip of coffee, and then move forward to our hotel. The 2021 model comes with a 44.5 kilowatt high-tech battery, and it endures more performance. It is faster to charge, and that's why this is the 2021 model, because it is a high-tech battery that is included. In terms of charging speed, we put it at home last night and it was 100% when we left. So we charged around 12 hours and it was around 60% when we put it on charge. So 40% battery was gained in 12 hours. But obviously that's a home charger, not like a proper charger that you get or what a supercharger would feel like. We'll get to experience the supercharger once we reach Agra. Okay, the battery is red now, and let's see how long do we last. Okay, the battery is 10% now. We have still like 30 to 40 kilometers to cover. As we are about to enter the city, I have put the KERS level to 3 and making sure that we get as much as juice possible from the battery. Okay, the battery is 4% now, and thankfully we can see the MG showroom. It's on the other side of the road. We are really worried that it should not stop. It shows the range is around 10 to 20 kilometers. The good thing is we are successful in our mission. We've reached Agra from Delhi in one single charge, 212 kilometers of journey, 3 hours of drive time, and it was very smooth. We had no problems at all, enjoyed everything, every bit of it. And it really is an emission-free ride, a guilt-free ride. And as soon as you reach Agra, you get a charging point. What else you need? You supercharge it over like 45 minutes, 50 minutes, get 85%, reach your hotel, put it on charge overnight or few hours, and you're done. You're ready to go back to Delhi. So if it's possible, if I can do it, if we can do it, you surely can. So next time you are planning to buy an EV and you're doubtful that can you do Delhi Agra trips, well, do not have that doubt. You can easily cover it. this is the wonder of the world, the Taj Mahal. We are in Agra with the Wonder EV, the MG ZS EV. And why I'm calling it the Wonder EV? Yes, we could achieve Delhi to Agra in one single charge with AC on, with music system on, and cruising on the highway from 80 to 100. We also use cruise control on the highway, which was really comfortable and too easy to use. So the company claims the car can achieve up to 419 kilometers as per test conditions. We were not driving under test conditions. We were enjoying our drive and we drove it like any other car we would drive from Delhi to Agra. Yeah, it is one of the best highways to drive in India. The speed limit is really good. So we were on 80 to 100 throughout the highway. We had the AC on, we had the music on, and everything was really nice. We got around 250 kilometers on single charge, and we literally made it to the charging station when it was like under 5% of battery life. Yes, it was in the nick of time. It was really living on the edge, but that thrill we really loved throughout the trip. So it's finally time to say goodbye to Agra. It was really a great stay. We didn't really step out much. We were very sure of areas that we wanted to cover and not go to crowded places where our mask can follow all the COVID safety protocols. I'm standing right now at the Radisson Hotel Agra, and I wanted to thank the property, thank the people who really helped me charge the electric vehicle all overnight, and the battery is almost 100%, and it would have been possible if I didn't get this charging facility right at the hotel entrance. So if you're coming to Agra, I think this is the hotel, one of the hotels that offers you EV charging, so you can look forward to that. So that was our video of the Wonder EV, the MG ZS EV at the Wonder of the World Taj Mahal. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching the Unbiased vlog. See you in the next one.